Entire desktop become white. Desktop shortcut icons missing. White screen problem in Windows 11 Dell Latitude 7480 model. Solution: just restart your laptop. Run the Dell LCD built-in self-test. Dell laptops have a built-in test to check if the screen itself is broken. Turn off your laptop, press and hold the D key on your keyboard, then press the power button to turn the laptop on. You can release the D key when you see color bars flashing on the screen. If the screen successfully cycles through solid colors, your screen is physically functional. The problem is with your Windows software, BIOS or graphics driver.